damage, aging, even our hormones can leave our skin looking a little undesirable. And our next guest, Trisha, knows this all too well.
There are some days where I will hide rather than having to face people. I refuse to go anywhere. Because I live in Las Vegas and I do public relations, I'm always around a lot of people and there's always cameras. So much of working in this industry is your image. I have kind of sunscreen, a tinted primer, a liquid makeup, and then a powder. Then I have to add a highlighter so I don't look like I have 5 layers of makeup on. Each month, I probably spend about $750 in makeup. The reason why I have to apply so much makeup is that I have a lot of brown spots from sun damage. Also, I have melasma. Okay, this is something that I can't believe that I'm actually gonna do on camera. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. I really just feel really ugly. I have lupus. I've had it for almost 20 years. Every day I feel uncomfortable. So the last thing that I want to do is apply layer after layer after layer of makeup just so that I look presentable. As I went on different medicines, I developed spots. You can kind of see all of the broken blood vessels and the discoloration. My face gets really red in almost that butterfly area. I host a television show. This is the first time in my life that I really feel uncomfortable being on camera. I've gone to many dermatologists. I've had them burned off. Nothing has worked. I am so excited to be visiting Dr. Gregory Meller. I'm hoping there is something that could help me with this.
A condition like Trisha has is really not cosmetic. It's really quite a deformity. It really causes her a lot of social anxiety and depression, and it's really altered the way she lives. Hey Trisha, how are you? When was your last treatment for the discoloration?
Over a year.
How did that work for you?
It looked okay, but then within a month I could see it coming back.
She's also been treated with IPL. I can definitely see the melasma, which is the pigmentation that's sort of spread throughout your face, especially in the blood vessels around your nose. It seems to really be concentrated in the area around your eyes, sort of in the area where you get the rash that's sort of characteristic of lupus. Based on your skin condition, there are many lasers out there, as you know, but the one that I would recommend is one that's called QuadroStarProYellow. The QuadroStarProYellow is a great laser because it really specifically goes after blood vessels. It also specifically goes after skin pigmentation, like her melasma. It's definitely a medically necessary procedure. And you should see a difference. The beauty of this is very little downtime.
Wonderful, I can't wait.
So Trisha, what we're going to do next is we're going to have you go ahead and get imaged. We're going to start with her forehead, and here we go. Doing great, Trisha. We're ready to move on now to the chin and the face. But the beauty of the laser is it's very, very focused. It just goes after the deformities, leaves the other skin alone. Just that immediate sort of result, the melasma turns a little bit darker. Now we're just winding down with the neck. We finish everything up, and I can already see a dramatic improvement.
Oh my gosh, that's like clear. That is crazy. Like I can already see that there's nothing there. It's like the old me. Oh my God, you're gonna make me cry.
Thank you, Dr. Meller, for performing those laser treatments. And Trisha, we hope you continue to see improvement in your skin.